Good morning. We just got up. We've got a little bit of rain, just a couple little splatters, but the sky is kind of getting dark, so I think we're going to get some more. But I'll give you a quick view of where we stayed last night. We didn't set up our tarp. We were going to take a chance. And we are just in a parking area here in the St. Croix State Forest. We are by Grace Lake, and if it doesn't rain, I'm so we didn't have to use our own. We had this place all to ourselves. There was ATV people here when we pulled in the dark, but they quickly came and loaded up and left. And now we're just getting ready to go and make some breakfast. This is Grace Lake, which we were parked just across the street from. And as I was walking down here, I saw a bald eagle and a trumpeter swan. So it's just a cute little lake. We have a couple of fishermen who stayed the night and are trying to get out here before the rain comes in. We have just crossed over into Wisconsin and went down to the water axis. This is the St. Croix River, which is the boundary between Minnesota and Wisconsin. And in the St. Croix State Forest, there are canoeing campsites along the river here.
I think it's going to hold us.
I hope so. A little one-lane bridge. I think we did okay. Sure would be cool if the sun was out and it wasn't raining. That does not look like a place we can make breakfast.
No. We're going to need a bigger pavilion than that.
How close we are to the lake. We are at Charles Tolander Park, right off of 35, just kind of maybe 5 miles north of Siren, Wisconsin. And we're going to make some breakfast here. I thought I'd give you just a quick glimpse of the park since it's not raining right now. Breakfast is served. Hot cinnamon apple pancakes. What do you think, Ed?
Mm-hmm.
Good? Thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. On our last trip on the Willmunger Trail, we had some problems using our iPad to take the video of us riding our bikes along the trail. We were just putting the iPad up against my backpack and sometimes it fell over. So Ed made this little device that holds our iPad and hooks onto this old tripod of my dad's. So you just screw it on, just like you would mount a camera. And so it'll be secure so that we can tilt the iPad if we want to. And then he also made these brackets that hold it and are adjustable because we each have a different size iPad. So they just pop down to whatever size device we want to work with. And we can screw to tighten them up. And so this is what we used on this trip to take the photos of us riding by and for eating or making our breakfast, I guess. So well done, Ed. Works perfectly. This is Clam Dam Park, which is just a little ways away from where we were, so just kind of up the river a little bit. Was another option for a place to make our breakfast this morning. I think where we stopped is probably better for us. Would have had to walk across this bridge to get to the covered picnic tables to make our lunch, which would have been a bit of a pain with all the paraphernalia we needed to make lunch today. But what a gorgeous park. This sculpture is called Clearing. It's a series of mirrors, and as you circle around, what you will see is that the sculptures reappear and disappear with the mirrors, giving you kind of a different view of the sculpture park and an unending vista of the open prairie. It's really fascinating to see what it was doing and to see ourselves repeated multiple times in the mirrors.